This is a recording about how to submit your homework. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Here I am on my Canvas dashboard, and I'm going to click on Live Colonial Unit Studies. That's what I'm working on. For me, I hold down the Control button and click it so that it opens in another window right here. And I can still see my dashboard, but I just come on over here to this. I'm going to do the same thing when I open my modules, because I want to be able to go back and forth between these screens to show you some stuff. So that's what I'm doing. But I also think it's very handy for students to know that there is a submission toolbar right here. So it says assignments due for this first week, for today, in fact. Your assignments due are topics 1, 2, and 3. For the first one, you'll need to make sure you have your writing and memorization done. And I'm assuming that you have already downloaded your unit study journal. I have another video about that and how to do that. So let's just look at how to submit our unit study journal. And let's go right here. Okay, and I'm going to go into student view so that I can see things the way you would see them. Okay, and I actually was demonstrating to a student previously how to submit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here for new attempt. Yours would say start assignment if it's the first time you're going in there. And let's open another window. Oh, hang on a second here. Let me go to my recording. Stop my share for a minute and pause my recording. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my share screen again that I have my unit study journal in my Google Drive. Now, make sure that it tells you how to create a new folder and all that wonderful stuff. But when I'm getting ready to submit it, I need to submit it onto my computer. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Download. And I'm going to do this. You can submit it as a Google Drive, but then I have to have permission to get into your Google to see it. So it's a lot easier if you just download it onto your computer this way. And you can tell by this button right here that I've just downloaded it, and then it will be in a file. So when I go back over here to submit my assignment, I've just downloaded it to my computer, my Mrs. Pope's Colonial Era Study Journal, and I did that by clicking the word file, hitting download, and downloading it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. You can download it as a PDF if you want, but don't get too tricky any of these other things. I think PowerPoint works best, and it just gives us what we need. So I'm going to go back over here. I want to now upload that same document to Canvas so that my mentor can read it. So now I'm going to choose a file, and all of my files will open. It could be any one of these, but I happen to know on downloads, it was my most recent download. So I'm going to hit that one, and I'm going to hit open. And there you can see Mrs. Pope's, the unit study journal, the Colonial U.S. History Journal. Okay, and then I push submit assignment. Okay. And if you'll notice right here, this is the grading rubric. The grading rubric is actually, oh, and I get presents and confetti because I just submitted my assignment. Hooray! But you would honestly be able to tell what grade you were going to get on your assignment based on this rubric, because this is how your teacher has to grade you. You get 5 points per topic page. They need to be interesting facts. You need to have 1 sentence per grade level. So if you're a 6th grader, you need a minimum of 6 sentences. 1 point is deducted from each topic if there are not enough sentences. And 1 point is deducted if it's not understandable or not written legibly, readably, or correctly. Okay. So remember, you want to know ahead of time how you're going to be graded. Remember that you're going to be graded on your images. You're going to need to put an image in each one, and you're going to need to put in each one of your topics, and you're going to have at least one memorization. Okay. So once you have done that, you have submitted your assignment.